if you're visiting Paris and you're trying to get around the city cheaply and easily, one of the best ways to do so is by the metro system. There are a lot of different types of passes that you can get, like unlimited for the day, for the week, but today I'm just going to show you how to buy a single-use ticket that once you enter the system will get you anywhere within the city. So let's head inside, buy the ticket, and ride the subway. Some of the metro lines in the city are above ground, but this one happens to be underground, so let's head down there. You're looking for one of the machines that sells tickets and not one of the ones for recharging your Navigo card. So most of them have a touch screen. Pick the language that you speak, in my case English. I do not have a Navigo pass, so I'm going to touch the screen here. And I'm just going to buy one T Plus ticket. And you can see there's lots of different options, but again, I just want the one single T Plus ticket, €2.15. You click the validate button, and then you can insert your credit card, or many of them have tap to pay, which I will use right here. It's asking me if I want a receipt. I'm going to say no. And it's dispensing my ticket down below. Just open up the little glass door and you've got your ticket. Now you want to look for one of the machines that has a place to stick your ticket in, which is right here. Grab it out the other side and then push your way on through. Now that you're in the system, you can take the subway anywhere you want, transfer as many times as you want until you actually leave the subway system. It's as simple as that. Let's head on to the subway. The line that I'm looking for is the M6 towards Nation. If you use Google Maps, it'll tell you the direction that you want to go. It's always the end point of that line, the name of that stop, and that'll show you where you need to go. Following the signs here, M6 towards Nation, in this direction right here. And there was a train that's leaving right now, but they come every 3 or 4 minutes, so it shouldn't be that long until I catch the next one. The train that I'm about to get on here is one of the older models that the doors don't open up automatically, so just lift up on the silver handle and the doors will open. It also doesn't have the digital display on the inside that shows you what stop you're at, so just make sure as you pull into each station you pay attention to the signs on the walls so you know where you are and where you need to get off. I need to transfer to the M14. And I need to head towards the M14 towards St. Gwen, so I'm going to head down this way. This looks to be like one of the more modern trains. Shows you how many minutes it is till the next one. Has automatic doors, so it should be a little easier to get on and off this one. If you're using Google Maps, it'll tell you which exit you need to look for to get to your destination. In this particular case, I'm looking for Rue de Bercy. So this is the exit I'm looking for. Just so you know, sortie is the word in French for exit. All you have to do is approach the exit and it'll open up and let you out. So I'll take the easy path and go up the escalator. And that's about all there is to riding the subway in Paris. Like I said, if you're going to use it more than just a handful of times, definitely look into some of the cheaper options where you can get unlimited rides during a certain period of time. But if you're just looking for 1 or 2 trips across the city, you can just buy the single-use tickets just like I did. If you get a little bit lost, a little bit turnaround, perhaps you couldn't get off the subway in time and you missed your stop, just try to stay within the station. Don't go through one of the exits. Maybe catch the train back in the other direction or whatever you need to do. As long as you're within the system, you're all traveling for that same €2.15. So I think that about wraps it up for this video. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and ring that notification bell if you'd like to watch any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.